In this lesson, we'll learn how to solve a quartic equation by substitution. To simplify, we can use substitution. Let y equal x squared. If we substitute that, our equation becomes y squared minus 10y plus 9 equals 0. Now, our quartic equation has become a quadratic equation in y. Let's use the quadratic formula to solve for y. Let's calculate the discriminant. That's b squared minus 4ac, negative 10 squared, minus 4 times 1 times 9. That equals 100 minus 36, or 64. Now we can substitute into the formula. Y equals 10 plus or minus the square root of 64 over 2. This means y equals 10 plus 8 over 2, and also y equals 10 minus 8 over 2. Remember that y equals x squared. Let's solve each case for x. First, if y equals 9, then x squared equals 9. That gives x equals positive or negative 3. Now, if y equals 1, then x squared equals 1. So x equals positive or negative 1. Putting all our solutions together, the original quartic equation has 4 real solutions. X equals 3, x equals negative 3, x equals 1, and x equals negative 1. Let's clearly highlight our answer. If you want to check, you can substitute each solution for x back into the original equation to verify that it really does equal 0. And that's how you solve quartic equations like this by substitution.